All right, guys, here's the truck that we're getting from my dad. It's an old Raptor, so we're getting this for him so that he can have a nicer vehicle and he can drive with style, just like I do. So with that being said, we're gonna load it up on the flatbed. If you guys need any towing, call Lucas at that number and he'll get you right. So with that being said, let's load it up and let's get it. Loading her up. Let's get it. This thing's pretty nice. Oh, I didn't even see this. It's all good. We'll get a new tail light. And yeah, she's looking good. Sounds good. Has problems with it, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna show you guys what we're gonna fix. It's got a couple leaks, but we're gonna get it right. Let's get it. All right, she's all strapped down. Now let's drive home a few hours. Like I said, if you guys need any towing, hit up Lucas. Let's get it. All right, truck's on E, so we're filling it up right on top of the tow truck. Oh yeah. Sheesh. Let's get it. All right, we got the double shot energy caramel from Starbucks. Heading home now. Let's get it. All right, we arrived at the HQ. About to unload the Raptor and get working on it. We're gonna fix some, has a coolant leak that we have to fix. I had the parts store already drop off some parts, which are right there. So let's get it, guys. Let's check it out. Let's see what kind of parts we got. This hose right here, I noticed it was leaking. So we're gonna put this thing in. Oh yeah. Let's get it. All right, time to unload her. Oh yeah. Unloading her. Damn, this thing filled up with 38 bucks. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Let's get it. Let's fix this thing. All right, guys, we're not losing any time. We're gonna put the truck up on the lift, drain the coolant, because we have a big coolant leak out of this truck. And we're gonna get right to it. Hopefully there's nothing else wrong. These people seem shady as hell when I went to buy this thing. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I paid a good price for this thing. So if it needs a new engine, if it needs anything else, it was just a gamble that I took. So at the end of the day, great deal still. Let's fix this thing. All right, guys, so I have it up in the air, and this thing is, I'm gonna show you how clean this thing is. That's why I bought it, because all these trucks, if you know, they have a lot of rust and the rockers be rusting out. So check it out. All right, so you can see it's just surface rust on this thing. It's super clean. There's the leak right there that we're talking about. All surface rust. But look how clean this frame is. Look how clean this frame is. That's money right there. Rockers. No rust on the rockers. Just a little surface right here. Nothing crazy. Same here. Same thing on this side. No rockers rust. Starting right here. I think these things get shit trapped in here. That's why. We're gonna fix all that. We're gonna maybe cap those holes better. But yeah, has a little bit of tiny rust right there. That's nothing. That's nothing, guys. So this thing is super clean. A little bit more surface rust up there on the bed. But I think we did very, very well on this truck. So let's fix this coolant leak. Let's start removing this underplate here and get started. Let's get it. All right, guys, so you guys can see we got that cover off, and now we're gonna be draining the radiator. I think the drain bolt's on this side somewhere. Let's see where it is. Let's check it out. Let's get it. All right, we're draining the coolant. It's draining from there. So let's drain it all out and see what we're getting ourselves into. Let's get it. That's all that came out of that radiator. So we're going to be removing that hose next. Oh, let's not drop this thing. So these people put that brand new radiator and they shoved that hose just like that. They broke it, then they shoved it and tried to JB Weld it. So that's where the leak's coming from. People are idiots. And I bet you this thing's not even fully in there. I bet you. Or maybe it is. I just gotta take that clip out so I don't break anything else. But we're gonna take that clip out and see what's going on with this hose. I know it's a pain in the butt because it's like back there, the oil cooler and stuff. So let's get it. All right, guys, so we got the new hose in. This thing was a pain in the butt. It's a pretty weird hose. And I replaced that clamp up there because that thing was such a pain in the butt to get out. So we put one of those clamps on there. Let me show you guys what happened to this hose, how these people tried to fix this thing. So first of all, they put a whole bunch of glue over here. I don't know if the thing cracked. Doesn't seem like it's cracked or anything. Or maybe, I don't know. I really don't know why they put so much RT, what's that thing called? JB Weld. They JB Weld the crap out of that. And I had to break the clip off. I had to like chisel it out to get the clip out of there. Or I guess they broke the clip, maybe, I don't know. And then to get these out, I just broke them. Since I already had a new hose, I broke them. And the little clips too. So that's how I got that one out. And then to get this thing out, look how dirty it was. It was such a pain in the butt to clean all this stuff off the truck because it's such a bad spot. Had to remove the air box, the coolant reservoir, which is right there. And now we're gonna see if this thing has no more issues with the cooling system. We're gonna fill up the cooling system and see where we at with the Raptor. 6.2 liter. Let's get it. That's where that hose goes, right there. So such a pain in the butt, but we got it out. Now we're gonna fill up the cooling system, see if we have any more leaks anywhere, and hopefully this thing doesn't have a head gasket problem. We're praying about that right now. So that being said, let's get it. All right, guys, so we're all put back together. We got coolant in the system. We got coolant in the reservoir. We dialed all this in. So now we're gonna start it, let it run for a while, get up the temperature, and hopefully we don't have a head gasket problem in this truck. And it's a goodbye. Let's get it, guys. Let's start this thing up. Oh yeah. There's the Hummer in the back. Let's get this thing up to temp. Let's this worked. My last truck didn't work. I think the blower motor might be gone too. All right, let's let it get back to temperature. Let's get it. All right. right, so we're gonna let it run for a little longer. Let's see if anything is leaking. I hate that they put these switches here when they had this ones here. People don't know what they own. And the heat is not coming out. It sounds like when you move the temperature here, it locks up in there. So we're gonna have to fix that as well. Like I said, this truck, beautiful truck, no rust. That's what we want. We want no rust on a vehicle like this, and that's how we're gonna keep its value. But yeah, we don't have no more leaks, no coolant leaks. That's what we want. This is hot. And then trying to see if the other one's hot. Yep, we're good. Let's get it. All right, guys, so it's been about half hour and truck is not overheating at all. It's just been sitting here. I know it's a little cold out, but those fans are coming on and cooling down the system, which means everything's working properly. And I think we did a good buy here. This truck was a great purchase today. Excuse me. It needs a little bit of work. Headlights, tail lights, paint, a little scratches here and there. Not to worry about anything. And we're gonna just make this thing look phenomenal. So with that being said, let's get it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you understand what you're getting into when you're trying to buy a car that you don't know if it's overheating or it has any more issues. Every car has issues. No matter what they say to you, this guy kept saying that, you know, that was the only issue. There's way more issues to this truck, but in this channel, we're gonna get it right. So stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get it. All right, this thing drives like a dream. We're rolling cool, and I think we made a great purchase today. Just had to put a little bit of work into it, and we got it to work. Let's get it, guys. Let's see, keep this thing running for a little longer, but it drives like a dream. Let's get it.